says happy birthday. I wonder whose birthday it is.
Ellie, are those your presents? Is that your birthday present? Yeah, those are your presents.
Ellie, look. Ellie.
Ellie, come look over here. Look at this.
Look. Ellie Bear, look. Ooh.
Daddy gonna help you open your presents?
Look. Ellie Bear. Well, maybe you'll do one on your own.
Yeah. What do you think? You can rip it. Or throw it. That's good too. Yeah. Isn't that special? Look at that present.
Ellie.
What are you doing?
Look. Get it. Go get it.
Okay.